Hello, awesome people. So I finished cooking down the maple syrup, the sap into maple syrup. This one had a little honey in it. These were all full. I did buy a maple syrup from a lady outside of, I think it was Lowe's, but up at Houghton Lake. So I mixed that in here. She had cinnamon sticks inside it, so I ordered some cinnamon sticks off eBay. I'm going to put that in with all of them. I like to use honey in my coffee in the morning, and so I had a little honey left over in it. But I did find out from a source that big box stores can't put like 10 to 40% high fructose corn syrup in their honey because they just can't make enough honey. So I want clean sweetener. So I've started to use the maple syrup in my coffee in the morning. Sounds a little funny, but tastes pretty good actually. And I know it's clean sweetener. I did get soil in, so I got 1 yard of zoo poo and 3 yards of sifted compost. So that's going on in the garden really soon. I do have 9 days coming up where it's going to be in the 30s, so I'm not planting yet. I still got a lot of things in the grow room upstairs. I've let that go several times, but I'm going to clean it up here pretty soon as I'm going to make the front porch greenhouse again and get that rolling real quick like. Wind's picking up. We're going to make this short and sweet. And many garden videos coming out soon. And have a nice, beautiful maple syrup day.